don't see any qualities in him, like presidential qualities.
I don't see presidential qualities. I can see him that he can do some businesses. Businesses are quite over exaggerated.
How?
Best subscribe to the channel. I'm from doing about conversation. I'm sharing. I was your for Munim say, Honorable Kennedy, a compre Japan, any lawyer Atta Akyea, fighting, Sisia Busia, a call next level. Yes, see, Honorable Atta Akyea, what do you see in Honorable Kennedy, Japan? And I say, do you see any presidential material in Honorable Kennedy or compre Japan? Abusia, me see. Same way. And the camp of Honorable Kennedy Japan. Papa. I was your mind say Honorable Atta Akyea.
I don't see any qualities in him, like presidential qualities.
I don't see presidential qualities. I can see him that he can do some businesses. Businesses are quite over exaggerated.
How?
Because and nobody saying now a friend saying factories don't do one now no. Of I was 19. Away 19 factories away. Una ne wo se wanya nyansa foforo a wakofa kube ato wo se kube nie na yebetumi anya we afiri kube. Ada na de da wonye. Kube etumi eboa nation ada na de da wonye. Enti ebi kwa de wo campaign ni lo be ka say and then offer trade minister new presidential material.
What's the trade minister?
Of course. So now all the products are baby.
Also ideas and what ideas now you can implement it.
Yes, the ideas now you know how far have you implemented it privately? The track record is there. I feel Miss Local as a mecca, my factories do well because I'm here. GR rebelled me I think about the Dimechi. How can a man be afraid to expose his success for scrutiny? How? What contradiction is this? It's a minimum baby who are can. Before the team is Papa, is he sure he wants to become a president? But Mama, basically, don't sabbath to Bible near say me attaching. Many fear with AU village. Yamini ni pen.
No, but him so don't start to Bible so say what more would that?
Or more me. If I dare what they bought me $50,000 an hour. Now me would have parliament crowd and now me need $50,000. Why? Why is he lying like that? Said now 50,000 me want me now me hear them me compare rent advance and now. And I'm here 50,000 for the one. The patch make me a catch play. And Crophobi didn't say my main can be. And Crophobi I didn't see me attaching a main can be. Me brag say me do a chida. But me la sulila. I'm a cop with deep politics near the beginning. I go for baby me before me baba politics. Na any idea I'm a cock and in Japan or sense or Muami. Now me fe sikanye baby. Me see and say a studio ha or reduce studio into a conveyor belt. No be can be anama manako. Mo manufacture did no better. It's freno. The title did never touching a demo AU village, you know. On mamma copy na more. Time or toy, I don't know. Say check na or use your own show the bank account. Say 500,000, no. Baby, a friend say vendor no wa could to I. But say mama, mum put to a compare to street proof. The baby be the whole pay say papa we on person be cannot correct. Nah, say who will pay now? And now who to me the car. Now for say baby con more. You don't need these tactics. Say tactics we any go say.
Is it because now no? Or ne Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia kwa Kensie or supported Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia and Tina now na mamu hu ne flow singing now because the time on na 1 year so person will ye flag bearer no or ye president and there na in a way be okay be na say against NDC in yes na mo you comfortable.
No mama obia ne su ene ne ban ho so wonum tapes what me nue ho
tapes.
Yes, historical tapes. And in Yama what you say? It has nothing to do with Baumia. I don't know. Ni soon and a buying and not capture publicly. As soon as Barney be on the sea. Hey, Obi Nums attack our temperament. And to my studio, hey, be do we atem, be di matem, be di a soft watem, oh, high na.
na unyi ni so say no in a way no good say e be hu say ni pass message ni suni say no te dan say obeye katasumu mu aso na ave we chobi kon na say sa na wote ntumi na wo penti na wo abre ho ase ye nukuntuna so nteno so mum so ye bad
ni we nu hu sin bibia say wani tua say we die eja aso so won ko Jubilee House. How are you going to do it? Who to me control no? I'm telling you.
Yeah, sure.
Nimpa. Any maybe wa me fere se meka. Onu nim se bi ni no pa. Any maybe o ka kire me nka ojo mu da because it was not intended for public consumption. And komo bi a onu obi di which is not intended for public consumption. No be believe so okay. Obi gina ho no akeken sem bi. Akakakra.
No, but say we the work can use. We nimpa wa kan bibia che na sa de na ehu na mu odu. Na won kan so de a. Se ne na wo boa wo fo aso.
There be you can see any nyina na intended for public consumption. That's why there's even the oath of secrecy. What is the meaning of that? Any maybe we faga na ho a o man pani nka. That's all ka. To you swear an oath of secrecy. They must so be him how to keep secret. How can he be president?
Okay, mema wa home so
when the Supreme Court suspension or suspended the election rerun no a bit me ama honor Martin Dam asako back to parliament
mejide no
aden
okay edin kan no ma memfa mfa ne akoso ne ma aya file ni bibia mo be kan ya so nim se ye koto aba 2024 about to no and honorable Martin Dam ona na oye candidate for NPP ena ora nsala wakpa ono na no candidate for NDC ena na another political party APC and social candidate SNDB omokoto aba ni wieye on 7 December 2024 no honorable Martin Nyindam enya in excess of 27,000 votes ora nsala wakpa ono so enya in excess of 24,000 votes. But now we share votes difference, no, as declared and as published by Electoral Commission now 3,734 votes difference in favor of Ora Martin Nyindam. On 23rd December 2024, ena Ora Nsalawakpa, ema na lawyer for the petition, Echo High Court Commercial Division, Tamale. Say election no omutu wieye no omoye collation no opanda ho no basa e bai ema isifo no take decision say omokoto collation no so at the regional capital now we say wenya due notification ebi onso so no ono no enkrata o sa de beto court na nim kire say na ohun say na irregularities e 41 polling stations out of the 152 polling stations mo enti no osre se court no ma orders including rerun because ebi ho microphone ready enti ebi say wanka say rerun no obisai but or file a petition on 23rd December no na yen gazette election results from Pandai
23rd December that's 2024 23rd
na yen gazette results for Pandai ena emramu no bibia e de court bia no ye won hyehyeye da ho udi nhyehyeye no so a ena ebetimi ama otumi a udi be invoke the jurisdiction of the court ena eba parliamentary election petition ho a eye PNDC law 284 no e de nhyehyeye aba under section 18 ye say ye koto aba na hu secretary se ne pro ye koso na nkrofo bribery omo ye vote buying a within 21 days of that incident so wo de wa assemble ba be dan court
okay
na say enya about corruption na ye any other matter related to the election so wo bonjo results no so collation the emu bia within 21 days after the date of the publication of the results in the gazette
okay
entino Electoral Commission gazette results no on 24th December 2024 but you witi eni
okay
enti gazette no course no a petition no be dan court o tamale no ena a lawyer for no mugina ma Owura Martin Nyindam at the time ma court no say yeti asem no because e bra omo file petition na ye premature
okay
enti ye incompetent after gazette no on 24th no ena omo sako omo withdraw after some motion no and omo withdraw petition no omo file on 23rd December no and omo sa file another one which is the current petition ya appeal stay ne judgment ye akopie Supreme Court for an order of certiorari on 25th January 2025.
So that will become a day after it was gazetted.
No. The Gazette near 24 December 2024.
Okay.
And our originating petition when near 25th January 2025, which is 32 days.
32 days
because
after.
December is 31 days. It's 32 days after the publication of the notification of Gazette. And I'm file the originating petition.
So the 23rd December one there for now.
Omuko withdraw ye. Omuko ye. And on Monday for call on 25th January. And on mutual security for cost on 27th January. Oba kanya na between December and January no. Na assessment me ho ase kakra wo Gazette notification no because of a question I'll be say about Akotia case they say NS ne the lawyers echo say omu bisa say da ben ye Gazette omu say January and na lawyer bedi akomo so na omu support the then NDC candidate no omu say omu so enim say ye Gazette on 24th December 2024 but can who say Supreme Court ama judgment in that matter as far back as June say such a course for Ghana Publishing Company Limited. Any electoral commission positioner or more the best supporting NDC for at the time. Say indeed, or more Gazette notification, you know, for all the constituencies, a year 24 December, with the exception of 4, which were done on 6 January. Utie assembly. And to serve for on 6 January, no. Pandai ni akotie nyina anye den enka ho enti no wohwe gazette a ukọ Ghana Publishing Company Limited so ukọ gazette for the 2024 election a ubiemu a the general one no ubehu Pandai and the very first region in the northern region ya so 24th December 2024 enti in that matter no Supreme Court ni gina so ebua say indeed, based on evidence at EC for Ghana Publishing, any your friend is saying the respondent at the time the buyer no court no si sudia essay 24 December 2024 and no Gazette results no for these constituencies no. And you know that being said no, nature say indeed Gazette on 24 December 2024 there. Now petition now what they buy on 25th January no was filed out of time. And this is very important because some of the arguments are matter from some of the NDC communicators, even including the lawyers for Owura Wapal no. And they say yeah dada almost say yeah 6 January into no more confused that. Almost say at the time no in that previous at the time no muko withdraw 23rd year no is because they believe say 26 January into na muko withdraw but I am reminding you say 23rd December no muko file ni Gazette so it means say the lawyers no without basis man checking jurisdiction man checking nyembrana hyehyɛ as conditions and some the petition betimi aba court and they proceeded to file the petition. And how would you claim, say, Obi misleading until now file originating petition we on 25th January, but Ukroya file petition be on 23rd December, even before the publication of the Gazette notification. Nini na ankamwano. Assembly judgment in a bar on 24th November 2025 year mu. Tamale court no ebu assembly. Ya homeso. Ena yede assembly ye file notice of appeal e wo court o esa o file o high court no momo de court of appeal and ye file a motion on notice to stay the judgments processes are ye file ye nyina ye survey parliament and ye survey electoral commission because precedents ho court bu asem na nya no na ye the final adjudication body on the matter now pesa o sa de ko an upper court o notify o mo ase be ya so me apply for stay nti mo China court no rule answer na mo hu sa na mo bi o ho aye to afa asem no ho na mo proceed mrika so execute certiorari application yes survey parliament yes survey electoral commission they are all interested parties in this matter but search say parliament was served on 1st December on 4th December and a clerk to parliament a procedure letter the command electoral commission 3 clear days after they were duly notified of the intention of the respondent applicant to file these processes, to appeal the decision first of all, and also to invoke the supervisory jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. Say, at the time our court made decision, no, now court did not have jurisdiction because the processes were filed out of time.